Maintenance operations play an essential role in asset management. Now, the aim is to optimize these assets in order to make them as efficient as possible. Why are maintenance operations optimized and how? Well, we will first see why it is interesting to optimize them, and then we will concentrate on the optimization of preventive maintenance and lastly of remedial maintenance. First of all, let us ask ourselves what optimizing maintenance operations means. Well, this involves choosing efficient strategies so that the asset failure risk within a system is kept to a minimum. Optimization means that savings are made in terms of time, money, and staff, and allows for better asset management. Optimization must be carried out after analyzing assets' failure risk and assets' physical condition, and after the establishment of a maintenance plan. Optimizing maintenance activities is above all about finding a good compromise between preventive and remedial maintenance. It is also about choosing the right strategy to adopt for each asset: replacement, repair, or spare part supply. Before entering into details, it is important to note that in nearly 90% of cases, failures are not linked to age. And this is the case, for example, for electronic devices, which may have anomalies at any moment in their service life cycle. Now, let us take a look at preventive maintenance optimization. Now, to achieve this, a maintenance plan must be ambitious enough to be efficient but remain achievable. It is therefore essential to spread maintenance operations over several years. For example, asset replacement operations may prove to be costly, and it will therefore be difficult to carrying them out at the same time. Now, this will therefore require carefully choosing the order in which assets will be replaced by referring to risk and condition analyses. Now, in terms of inspections or repairs, it is necessary to strategically plan these. For example, it is frequent for optical devices to be used to carry out pipe inspections. Now, these devices are expensive and are rarely stored and must therefore be rented. Grouping together all operations that require these devices on the same day enables operating time to be reduced as well as rental costs and makes it easier to organize. Therefore, once preventive maintenance is in place, remedial maintenance needs to be organized. Optimizing remedial maintenance consists of selecting assets for which regular maintenance is not carried out. The assets concerned are those which can break down without causing significant repercussions on the system. They are chosen based on risk and condition analyses. In addition, remedial maintenance should cover assets which are relatively inexpensive in order to be able to easily store them for when they are needed. This is the case, for example, of certain valves. It is important to consider this type of maintenance when establishing a maintenance plan because it requires that staff and equipment are rapidly available in the case of a breakdown. What you need to remember: when optimizing maintenance operations, it is necessary to select assets carefully in order to ensure the best possible balance between preventive and remedial maintenance.